Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Monday, January 19th, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through a little bit about the Code Critic, which is a tab here in the browser, and what it does is implement some lint type rules for Smalltalk. Now, there's a small change between the last release of CenComm Smalltalk and this release, and that's this. There used to be a fifth category, kind of a catch-all called miscellaneous, and now there's only four. Two things happened. A bunch of tests got reorganized into these four categories, and some of them that we decided were kind of more subjective than objective got removed. So you'll find that if you open up this, you see all these checks, and the place you need to go to look at where these are implemented is this. I'm going to go find a class called block lint rule. And in block lint rule, I'm going to go to the class side, and you'll find that there are categories that line up with the Code Critic names. So you see there's a possible bugs, a bugs, intention revealing, and unnecessary. There's also this deprecated. Now, what I need to do is two things. To bring this back, all of these methods, these categories are reflected off of, and the methods over here actually implement the checks themselves. So here's the long methods one, which looks to find out if there are any methods in a given class that contain more than 10 statements. Say I wanted that to come back. Two things I need to do. First, I'm going to rename this to miscellaneous. And then, having done that, I need to go up to basic lint rule and go into the protocols category, and you find this method, which I'm going to change to use the add method because I'm going to create an instance of it, and I'm going to add a bunch of things to it. So I'm going to add all of these, and I need to do cascading because I'm doing these adds in sequence. And then finally, I need to put in my new addition, add miscellaneous. According to this, I need to spell it, and let's change that to this. And then finally, since I'm doing this, I need to add yourself, and that should be a cascade also. And now, having done all of that, I accept this. Now if I open up a new instance of the browser, you'll find that in here I now have, let's go to one of my classes so I can check this. Go to this package, we'll go to Code Critic. Now you see the miscellaneous category, and in here you see those checks. So I can now run this, and it should just work. And sure enough, it should find some things that are long. There are a number of methods that contain at least 10 statements in them. So you can see that that works. You can bring this all back. So that's really how you interact with the Code Critic and bring things into it. Now, that doesn't cover how you add new checks. I intend to do that one tomorrow. That's probably about as much as I want to cover for one day. So, till next time, have fun with Smalltalk.